Welcome to Mehran Engineers Forum. Today, we will talk about an exciting and rapidly growing field, software engineering. We will explore what software engineering is and what the future holds for this important profession. Let's get started. Software engineering is a branch of engineering that deals with the design, development, testing, and maintenance of software. Software engineers use programming languages, tools, and methodologies to create software applications that solve problems and meet the needs of users. From the apps on our phones to the systems that run businesses and governments, software engineers play a crucial role in today's digital world. First, let's understand what software engineering is all about. Software engineering involves a systematic approach to creating software. This means following a structured process that includes planning, designing, coding, testing, and maintaining software. This approach ensures that the software is reliable, efficient, and meets the requirements of its users. Software engineering can be divided into several sub-disciplines. Front-end development focuses on creating the user interface and user experience. Back-end development deals with the server-side logic and databases. Full-stack development involves working on both the front-end and back-end. Other areas include mobile development, which focuses on creating apps for smartphones and tablets, and DevOps, which involves practices that combine software development and IT operations to improve the development life cycle. Now, let's talk about the future of software engineering. As technology continues to evolve, software engineers face new challenges and opportunities. Here are some key trends that are shaping the future of this field. Artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning (ML) are transforming software engineering. These technologies enable computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. AI and ML are being used to create smarter applications that can understand and respond to user needs, automate tasks, and provide valuable insights. For example, smart assistants like Siri and Alexa use AI to understand and respond to voice commands. Machine learning algorithms can analyze large datasets to identify patterns and make predictions. These technologies are not only making software more powerful but also creating new opportunities for software engineers to innovate. Cloud computing is another major trend in software engineering. The cloud allows developers to access computing resources over the internet, which makes it easier to develop, deploy, and scale applications. DevOps practices, which combine software development and IT operations, are also becoming more popular. DevOps aims to improve collaboration between development and operations teams, automate processes, and deliver software more quickly and reliably. For example, cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud provide tools and services that make it easier for developers to build and deploy applications. DevOps practices such as continuous integration and continuous delivery (CI/CD) automate the process of testing and deploying software, which reduces the time it takes to release new features and fixes. With the increasing reliance on software in all aspects of life, cybersecurity is becoming more important than ever. Software engineers must ensure that their applications are secure and can protect user data from threats. This involves implementing security best practices such as encryption, authentication, and regular security testing. For example, software engineers can use encryption to protect sensitive data such as passwords and credit card numbers. They can also implement authentication mechanisms, such as multi-factor authentication, to ensure that only authorized users can access the application. Regular security testing, such as penetration testing, can help identify and fix vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by attackers. Agile and Scrum methodologies are also shaping the future of software engineering. These methodologies focus on iterative development, where software is developed in small increments and continuously improved based on user feedback. This approach allows teams to be more flexible and responsive to changes, which is essential in today's fast-paced technology landscape. For example, agile teams work in short cycles called sprints, typically lasting to 2-4 weeks. During each sprint, the team works on a set of tasks and delivers a working increment of the software. Scrum, a popular agile framework, involves daily stand-up meetings, sprint planning, and sprint reviews. This iterative process allows teams to quickly adapt to changing requirements and deliver high-quality software. Finally, let's talk about software engineering education and careers. To become a software engineer, you typically need a degree in computer science, software engineering, or a related field. This education provides the necessary knowledge and skills to design, develop, and maintain software. Many software engineers also pursue certifications to enhance their qualifications. Software engineering offers a wide range of career opportunities. Software engineers can work in various industries, including technology, finance, healthcare, and entertainment. They can specialize in areas like web development, mobile development, game development, or data science. The demand for software engineers is expected to remain strong as technology continues to advance and the need for software solutions grows. In summary, software engineering is a dynamic and essential field that drives the digital world. The future of software engineering is full of exciting possibilities, with new technologies like AI, ML, and cloud computing leading the way. Software engineers will continue to play a crucial role in developing innovative solutions that improve our lives and transform industries. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about engineering, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think is the most exciting trend in software engineering? See you next time on Mehran Engineers Forum.